Hi everybody, here we go with part 2. This is the fun one. We are going to do, so this is an addition, and now we're going to do a subtraction problem. All right, here we go. These are fun. Let's do 7 and 5/12, and we're going to take away 2 and 1/2. So our first step is going to be to have like fractions. Well, look at that. We've got something super easy. So I think that we can use the denominator of 12. That's nice and neat. And look at that. I can just move this straight over. And this one, 2 times 6 will give me 12. So 1 times 6 gives me 6. And I'm going to bring my whole number over. Oh, 5 minus 6. I can't do that quite yet. I do have some mixed numbers here, so I have some whole numbers. So I'm gonna decompose this 7 and help myself out. Okay? So I'm gonna borrow 1 from here, and this will become a whole number of 6. And I know that I have a 5/12. So what can I add to the 5/12 that would equal the whole that I took from the 7, but be able to do it as a fraction? What could that be? You are right. Okay, so 6 and 12 over 12 is the same thing as 7. And I could just subtract right now, but I can't forget this 5/12 because it's from the beginning of my problem. All right, I'm going to bring this over. So I'm going to add these two fractions together, and I'm going to get 6 and 17/12. And I'm going to bring this, scoots it over so that I can solve the problem vertically. 2 and 6/12. And now it looks like I can subtract. So 17 minus 6 is 11. 12 and the 12, so I have to keep my 12ths. And then I can't forget to subtract the whole numbers just like we did in first grade. So 6 minus 2 is now 4. Can I simplify this? Nope. So here I simplified. And we did that. Can I simplify here? Nope. We are at our end. So here's my answer. Okay. So this is the really important part. This 7 is the same as the 6 and the 12 over 12. Okay, but we can't forget the 5/12, and so that's why we have to add it there. All right, so our steps for the subtraction. Step 1 is we make them into like fractions. Step 2, we borrow from the whole. As a fraction. Number 3, we're going to subtract, and then we simplify. Okay, this is the hardest part about fractions. Out of everything, multiplying and dividing is going to be a breeze. But this part of subtraction and borrowing or decomposing that whole number into a fraction, that's where it gets really tricky. So please, please, please show all your work, and then we can help you find those little mistakes that you're making. Have fun. Hi, everybody. It is September 24th. We are going to add and subtract unlike fractions, plus we're going to regroup or decompose. So this is going to be a fun lesson. Let's start with an easier one. So let's do 1 and 2/3 plus 3 and 5/6. Okay, I picked kind of some easy ones there. We know that we're gonna move to the right as we solve, and we're gonna solve it vertically. So 3 and 6, lovely, nice, easy fraction. 3 times what gets me to 6? 2. And 2 times 2 is 4. And then this one I get to just bring straight across. Okay, so then I add 4 and 5, I get 9/6. 1 plus 3 is 4/9/6. What do I have there? Ah! So I have an improper fraction. So I can either do, I can reduce this and then do the improper fraction, or I can do it the other way too. So this is just like saying 4 plus 1 and 3/6, because I can break this into 3 plus 6, and because it's 6/6, that's going to equal 1. So this will be 5 and 3/6, and then I'm going to simplify to 1/2. Okay, a lot of work shown because I can make mistakes here. Are you ready for subtraction? It's gonna be a doozy. That'll be part 2.